This is how to switch to dark mode on YouTube Studio mobile application. The first step is to tap on your YouTube Studio app. As the app opens, you will be on the dashboard, alright? The next step you need to take is to tap on your profile icon at the top right. Note, here I'm using iPhone, your own may be on the left, so I will tap on it. The next step you need to take is to tap on settings. On this settings page, scroll down. On scrolling down, you will see the appearance section. Tap on it. Then you have use device theme as the selected one by default, meaning that if I set this iPhone to light mode, it's going to use the light theme, alright? But here we want to switch to dark, so tap on dark theme. And everything has now changed to dark theme. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.